Okay, I've just finished drawing and it's really bad, but I thought I'd go over it because it's a bit confusing. This is your face here, and this is Dino, and Dino's being a bit of a square, and he's doing that thing where you go like that, so he doesn't know what's cool. So he's doing that, and you're saying, no Dino, we don't do that anymore. So Dino just says, oh. And I screwed up on your, like, boobs a bit. I didn't really know how to draw them. I don't draw them often. So yeah, and there's your something, enter that band. Yep. I think now I have to feed the sea monkeys, but I don't really, I haven't done it before. So I'll probably screw up or knock something over now. Where's the food? Bro.